Hello guys. So I just want to share my goal. I just decided that I want to learn Spanish, and I just started today, and I want to document it, the whole journey of me learning Espanol. So hopefully I can be able to learn it. And I know it would be better to be able to have a friend or to talk to someone who is Spanish, or who talks or who speaks Espanol, so that I can be able to have a spontaneous conversation. But at the moment, I am just learning some of the basic words, since Filipino language, which is Tagalog and Espanol, is, there are some words that are similar, so it's not 0% for me to start. So there are some words that I can understand in Spanish, but I'm having a conversation is kind of difficult, so I really want to learn it. So it's my goal. That's my goal for this year. Hopefully I can keep going with this, and hopefully I can find someone to teach me more about it, because at the moment I am learning in YouTube or in social media. So yeah, I'll be posting it more. Thank you. Gracias. Adios.